This Beachfront Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Josie Riccolo. Huge opportunity in the prestigious lakes of Emerald Hills. The complete dream home. All 5 bedrooms have their own bathrooms plus guest bathroom, all on one floor. Vaulted ceilings with spacious open floor plan. Gorgeous open kitchen with double oven. This home is truly a cook's delight and great for entertaining. Very spacious living room and dining room with an alcove area. Huge family room. Spacious master bedroom with huge walk-in closet. Gorgeous modern bathroom. Large covered patio area where you can enjoy the big pool. A true 2-car garage. Big laundry room. Lovely community. Features 2 lakes and playground area. 24 hours police security. Walking distance to several houses of worship. Roof done 2020. For more information, review the details below or contact Josie Riccolo at 954-275